What is RAG in Gen AI? Well, RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. It's a powerful technique designed by scientists at Meta over 4 years ago to improve the accuracy of large language models by providing it access to context using an external data source. Now, why do we need to use RAG? Well, there's a bunch of reasons why, but the most important one is the data that was used to train an LLM is static. Well, what this means is that after a certain cutoff point, after the training is done, the LLM doesn't have access to any new information. So if you ask it a question, it'll resort to hallucination, meaning it'll start to make things up. Now, how do you implement it? Well, the first step is retrieval. You need to retrieve the most important or relevant chunks of data from your external data source. Now, your external data source could be anything as long as it's in a text format, but you need to convert that into a vector DB, like ChromaDB or FICE. There's a bunch of open source ones and closed source ones such as Pinecone. Therefore, you'll need to convert your text document into one of these vector DBs before you can perform the retrieval. So in retrieval, you'll be fetching the most important chunks of data from this DB. And once you've got the most important chunks of data or context, you need to append that with your original query and pass this as an input to your large language model. And that is it. The output that you would have received surely will be much better than using a vanilla LLM. And this is it. This is RAG for you. Happy ragging.